You've all heard that saying, comparison is the thief of joy. That does not ring more true in any time than it does now. Thing is, it seems like everybody's killing it online, but you've got to understand there's a lot of people faking it. There's a lot of people who have had more advantages than you, and there's a lot of people that got lucky. Now, I'm not one of these people who tries to get into the loser talk. He got lucky, he had this, he had that. Do not take on that mindset. But one thing you've got to do understand is you create your own luck. And you can get lucky at times, you can get unlucky. Or maybe you just fucked up, which is the most likely choice. But when you're watching other people online, unless they're providing value in return, then you are the product. You are the way that they are making money, either from AdSense or selling you a product. So when you're watching people online that are doing all the lifestyle flexing and not providing you any value in return, stop fucking watching them. Yeah? Watching other people have success when you're not doing much with your life is painful and it serves you in no capacity. It's lifestyle porn, yeah? So if you're watching people online every day, you need to do a social media audit. You need to ask yourself, what am I watching on TikTok? What am I watching on Facebook? What am I watching on Instagram? Which platform do I actually need? Which one am I benefiting from? If you're a content creator, you might need them all, but are you disciplined with how much you use them? Do you need any of them? Yeah? You know that social media apps are bad for you. We've seen the effects. This is why everybody's unhappy. Yeah? So you need to do a social media audit and understand what you need to be looking at. Because the thing is, when you're always watching the Joneses, you're getting dragged to different business models consistently. You can't stick with something for long enough because the grass is always greener. And plus, it slows you down and puts you into analysis paralysis because you associate yourself with being so far away from the goal you want to be that it just stops you altogether. So before digesting this content online of all these random people doing random things, turn off the flipping apps and get to work. Yeah? You need to audit your own social media feeds and focus on the task in hand so you can really get ahead. This is the caveat to the social media internet game. We've got all the information in the world, but we've got to fight and find the information through all the noise and all of the fake BS. So audit your social media today. Subscribe down below.